Today we're going to be making
no big cake pops.
What do you have?
Our ingredients are non-stick parchment paper, baggies, cream cheese, and a fork.
And then chocolate chips that you like are going to melt. And then sprinkles, cake pops, a big bowl, and
cookies. Let's get started.
So first we're going to put the parchment paper onto the pan. And then we're going to mash up the cookies in the plastic bag. And then we're going to mix it into the big bowl with the cream cheese. After you put the cream cheese and the cookies in the bowl, keep mixing. Sometimes it's easier to mix with your hands. Okay, so now we're going to start making the balls and put the stick in.
So now we're gonna open up our chocolate
And our sprinkles.
and we're gonna go pop this in the microwave. Okay, so our chocolate's all melted, so we're gonna dip our cake pops into the chocolate.
For this one, I think I'm going to dip it in the sprinkles and
They're optional though, you don't need to
swirl
do
it
this.
around. Some of them have sprinkles on top of them, some of them are plain. Okay, your turn.
Okay.
Put these in the freezer for 30 to an hour. 30 minutes to an hour.
And then we'll come back and review them and see how we did. Our Panther Pops are finished.
Let's see how we did. Ooh, they look good. Okay, let's try them. Go. Hard. Mmm.
I'm good. Fry these at home.
Now we're going to be giving our president of the school a cake pop. Rate it. Eat it. What do you rate it?
10.
Woo! Approved.